my name is Margot. Welcome to my channel, and today's look is actually something really fun. This is something I've wanted to do for the longest time. I mean, I think I once saw it like on a YouTube video, and I don't know, I fell in love and I wanted to try it out. So I finally tried it out, and yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face like always, so it will be like a clear canvas. I like it because it smooths my face and it feels very nourished. So yeah, and then I'll put my under eye cream. Well, I already did, so yeah. And then I'll put my two faves, like always. I will mix them because I didn't find the perfect color for me, so yeah. And then I'll just put it under my eyes and I'll be back with my foundation. So yeah, I have my foundation on. And yeah, now I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Concealer as a eyeshadow base. I've been loving this stuff as an eyeshadow base because it gives me a clear canvas and it lasts all time. So yeah, I'm gonna dip into my CARLI Bible palette in this light color. I'm just gonna set my under eye concealer so it will last all day. Then I'll do my eyebrows. I use my Anastasia and my Real Technique brow brush. So yeah, I'll just fill them in. Today I feel like filling them in a little bit more, so it'll be a little bit more dramatic. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go into my HOOLA bronzer with this fluffy brush. I just follow the three on the side of my face, as you can see in the video. Then I'll go back into the CARLI Bible palette and set in my concealer. Then I'll put my JAFRA blush. I'll just use the little brush it comes with, and I'll put it on the highest parts of my face. So yeah, really nice. Then I'll dip into my Morphe palette. Sorry, I couldn't open that. Yeah, and then I'll just use my Real Technique brush. I'll start with the yellow. I just put it on my crease and over my crease. Then I'll dip into this orange, bright orange, and I'll put it in my crease. If you want to make it a little bit darker, you can go over it how many times you like. So yeah, you just do that, blend, blend. Then I'll go dip into this hot pink, and I'll just put it on my lid. And then I'll use this little tiny brush, put the purple, almost like the lash line, but not. So it can give it a little plus to the lid. Then I'll do my eyeliner. Just a basic line, nothing crazy, just regular. Next, I'm gonna use this little brush, put this hot pink on my lower lash line. I'm actually gonna mix the three colors I use on my eyes. So yeah, I use the pink, the orange, the yellow, and a little bit of purple. Yeah, and then I'll just put my mascara. Well, I already did. Then I'll go into my BECCA highlighter. Whoa, that glow. I mean, I love highlighter. So yeah, I just put it there on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, inner corners. Sorry guys, I forgot to insert the clip where I put my lip gloss. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Don't worry, I'll put all the products I use in the description box if you want to check that out. And yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I mean, whoa, that glow. I don't know, I loved it because it's so different. So I invite you to try it out. I mean, don't be afraid to be bold and different. And yeah, with no further ado, see you until next time.